Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the myCADtools DriveAssembly tool. This tool allows you to create a motion from dimensions and constraints. You can use this to see a path that a component follows during the motion, or you can even check for interference between multiple components. First, let's open the tool. Once the tool is open, you can add the dimensions that you would like to drive. In this case, you can see I've added these 4 dimensions here, which are all angular dimensions, which you can also see from the graphics area. Then specify the range of motion. So here you can see I've got a beginning angle. For this first angle, I'm going to set the beginning to 30 degrees and the end, and I want it to increment in 3-degree steps. Then specify the same for the rest of the dimensions. Once my parameters are set, I can select simultaneous increments so all of these components move together. I'm also going to create an animation, and if I like, I can isolate certain components to check if these components are going to cause any interference. And I'm also going to add a curve point. In this case, I want to see the motion of where this point moves while driving my dimensions. Now, click OK. Once it's completed, we'll hop over to the Results tab, and here you can see a breakdown of all the increments. You can even export this to a CSV file, and the same goes for the interferences. You will see that it also created an animation. Thank you for watching.